In this video, I'll show you how to get signatures from multiple people in Docusign, step by step, so you can manage agreements efficiently. Start by logging into your Docusign account and clicking Start to upload or select your document. Once your document is ready, click Add Recipients and enter the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign. Make sure the details are correct to avoid delays. You can also set a signing order if the document needs to be completed in sequence, or keep it parallel so all recipients receive it at the same time. Next, place signature fields for each recipient in the correct sections of the document. After reviewing everything, click Send and Docusign will handle the delivery and tracking. You can monitor who has signed and who is pending directly from your dashboard. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.